Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we have the TOFUGARAGE NISSAN SKYLINE GTR R32 PANDEM Rocket Bunny by INNO64 models, and it is by TOFUGARAGE. So I bought these from a collector at a toy show. I found it nice and interesting, so I bought it. It has a nice packaging though, so let's open it. It has a nice packaging, like like some nice packaging from Tarmac Works, but this one is a INNO64. So ta-da! So inside is like just a regular INNO64 packaging. Some acrylic and some nice base with a metal plate. Let's check out the box first. So it says here Pandem Rocket Bunny, TOFUGARAGE, another Pandem Rocket Bunny, and some writings underneath. And yeah, so the card itself is nice. So it's a wide body Nissan R32 SKYLINE GTR. Let's open it. So the only thing about INNO64 are their cars are not numbered, so we don't know how many they produce. So not like Tarmac Works. Yeah, it doesn't say any numbers on it. So yeah, it has a nice acrylic case, not as thick as the Para 64, but thick enough to protect your cars. So it has a nice base, like a shiny metal base that says Nissan SKYLINE GTR R32 Pandem TOFUGARAGE. Yeah, so I get a chance to meet Mr. Miura one time in a car show. Kai Miura-san, they call him. One time I saw him at a car show and get a chance to take a photo op and sign my Rocket Bunny Aoshima model kit, which still years now I still haven't built it, but it was a fun experience. He was a nice guy, always smiling, always ready to take picture with you. That time I don't collect small cars like these kind of cars, so I don't have anything for him to sign, except I brought the Aoshima model kit of Rocket Bunny GT86. So he signed it and it's still on my shelf, unbuilt. Anyway, back to the car. It has a nice car. It is a nice car. Nice wheels. Front is just plain R32. No doubt it is a R32. It is wide body, as you can see. It is wide body. Just white, just plain white with TOFUGARAGE decals on the side, some small spoiler. It has a license plate. Oh nice, 1395. It says SKYLINE Pandem Rocket Bunny TOFUGARAGE. Some Toyo tires, decals, and some decals right there. I can't barely see the inside actually. It's kind of dark because the windows are tinted, but it's nice. I can see a roll cage. I think there's a roll cage and a bucket seat with a 4-point harness seat belt. So yeah, nice. So here's side view, top view, front view, Another side view. Nice rear. So I wish I can have a R34 of these. So yeah, we will look for R34. Nice. Awesome. So let me know guys what you think about this car. This car is awesome. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it, hope you guys enjoy, and please hit the like button, share it, don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe already, thank you so much, I appreciate it, and thank you for the support, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you guys next time.